Hey, I'm back. I had a problem with the previous recording. When I pressed pause, it was a couple hours before I came back to it for the next release, and for some reason it didn't let me continue with the recording. It said that it was almost 2 hours of recording on that particular tape, and I didn't really want to, put a 2-hour video up here. So I ended up just stopping that one and just saving the piece that actually had the 2 releases on there. So with that being said, I'm back now. And we're going to be trading the 10 o'clock US existing home sales with a 0.1 on both pieces of software. I did have a release at, what time was it? At 8:30, I believe. Let me see where it is here. Here it is, core retail sales. This did come out, but for some reason Secret News Weapon Elite didn't click the button, so I wasn't able to include that. Let me go ahead and add this here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this stuff up now. Hopefully both of them will click now. We got about 3 minutes before the release comes out here. And we'll cancel that. Start. Alright, both of those are set. Set triggers to 0.1. Alright, so everything should be set up properly now. We've got about a minute and 45 seconds to go here. I did go ahead and add this third win. Yesterday I had a trade on the, it was a Japanese trade. It came out yesterday evening. It was 10:30, 11:30, somewhere around that time, and it did trigger, and Secret News Weapon Elite was able to win on that particular release as well. So since we're basically short on releases, I went ahead and added that one, even though I don't have the video for it. So this here is going to be the last trade of the day. I would add the Australian trim mean, but that is not until this afternoon, and I'm pretty sure that my recording software isn't going to hold up until then by pressing pause. So this is it. This next one is going to be the final one, and I'm hoping Aurora Speedster can at least get one win here. If not, all 4 will have gone to Secret News Weapon Elite. But then again, I did just have an issue with it where it didn't click the button. So it's not perfect, but so far it has shown itself to be the fastest. So we're about 40 seconds to go here till the release comes out. Pretty sure I got everything set up correctly. There shouldn't be any reason why this won't click. It says primary, 0.1, 0.1, no secondaries. Hyperclick is set up properly. Same over here, everything is set up properly. Alright, we're about 15 seconds out till the release comes out. Have the cursor right here in the middle, so neither side has an advantage. Alright, 5 seconds out. Cell 1. Alright. Let's see what we got over here for Secret News Weapon Elite. 10 o'clock, 0.1 seconds. Over here we got 10 o'clock, 0.1 seconds, 718 milliseconds, 701 milliseconds. Or excuse me, 707 milliseconds. So actually, Aurora Speedster won this one. So that's 1 for Aurora Speedster and 3 for Secret News Weapon Elite. I hate I missed that trade at 8:30 because Secret News Weapon didn't click, but those are the breaks. It happens. So the score is 3-1. I also want to show you guys this right here. I'm going to bring over everything that we've traded so far. We're going to be able to look at these and compare them. Alright. Here's the first trade we took today at 5 in the morning. Secret News Weapon Elite won that one by about 2 seconds, and that was a hell of a lead. Okay, that was a big deal. Second trade, Secret News Weapon Elite won that one. Let me see, 68 milliseconds to 438 milliseconds, so it got in a bit quicker. The third one I told you about, that Secret News Weapon didn't click on, but Aurora Speedster did click on it, and it got in at 643 milliseconds. And the last one we just saw, 01 was the second count, and 718 milliseconds versus 707 milliseconds. So Aurora Speedster won the last one. So that's the score. That's how everything added up, 3-1. And personally, from what I've seen, I'm going to continue using Secret News Weapon Elite. I've had several tests in the past that I didn't record, and Secret News Weapon did very well against Aurora. And I had, I think it was only on one other instance where Aurora was actually able to beat Secret News Weapon Elite. So I'm going to stick to this one, not only because I'm used to it, but also because it does seem to be faster on most occasions. Anyway, that's it. I won't be doing this again. Had too many recording problems and software problems to try it again. So hope you guys appreciate it, and I hope you got something from it. Thank you.